Okay, we're going to put our tappets in. We've got a little tang here. This one's weird. You have to put it in from the bottom of the engine. If I can get it in there. It'd be easier with the crankshaft out, but you can't do that. Okay, it fell down in there. You can kind of see it in there. Here's intake. We had them labeled and I took the paint off them. Okay, then we're going to have to turn our crankshaft a little bit. Also, this is our crank position sensor. There's a sensor on the side of the block over here that tells the ECM where number 1 top dead center is. Okay, exhaust is towards the back. So these are kind of a booger. If you got big hands, they don't fit in there very good. So there's 5. Okay, here's 4. We got to turn the crankshaft so we can get to it. So I can't get my big old fat fingers down in there. See, there's some spalling on that, scarring. Didn't have enough lube in it. I've dumped some oil down in here. May have to get a magnet or something. There it goes. Here's intake. Same thing, it's got some spalling on it. This is one of those things that when you change the camshaft, you change the lifters. They're match set. So we'll turn it so we can get to the next one. Okay, here's 2. So if you've got big hands, you're probably going to have to get a magnet or some kind of gripper. Put these in here. You have to make sure they fall all the way down. I'll also go dump some more oil on these when we're done to make sure that there's plenty of oil in it. Because if you had to do a camshaft in one of these, what you have to do to get the camshaft out is have the engine either inverted on a stand like we are, or you're going to have to put it, they have a certain size dowel rod that goes into that lifter and holds it up. So now when I do this, I'll roll the engine up on the front, and that'll make sure those stay down after I pour some oil in there to hold them. We'll dump some oil on them, make sure there's plenty of lube there. Getting some in the cam too while I'm at it. Engine assembly lube or something works a little better sometimes too because it's a little more sticky. This has some Lucas oil, which is thicker in it. And like I say, I'm trying to get bushings too while I'm at it. Okay.